So this dish is also called fake dog meat. Chase it with some beer. Cheers. And we have an additional dish. This is going to be our dinner. She's burning the outer skin to get a nice flavor and texture. Oh, she now cut the leg in pieces after burning the skin.
Hai phát rồi hả?
I have a whole process to get rid of the smell. We start first with toasting lemongrass and shallots. We added some water. It just looked black because we soaked black rice in it. It's not a necessary step to soak black rice, but it was just what we had at the moment. And then you add the meat that we just bought at the market. So this whole process before the marinating is to clean the meat and to get rid of the odor. Now we add some hot water.
Trụng cho nó bay cái mùi hôi cái gì.
So it's basically about cleaning the meat again, just a little bit more thoroughly.
Ở trong nó có nước xả rồi.
Boil it like for 3 minutes or so, and that's really enough to get rid of all the odor. Cleaning the meat again. We'll fry galangal and lemongrass for our marinade. Here it is frying, and we add some garlic.
Nó màu gì?
Okay.
Màu cháy. Nó là chất dầu.
Now we add some shallots. Add some fish sauce right now to get rid of the odor. Now we start adding the seasoning to the marinade. The curry 5 spice powder. We forgot to add it before with the frying, the star anise, but we add it now. Now we add in a kind of green chili paste. And this is the most important ingredient, the shrimp paste. You can only add it during this step. It cannot be added later during the cooking process, otherwise it will get a really bad smell. Coming back here, we add some rock sugar. As always, some seasoning powder. Of course, we also have fish sauce that we need to add to the marinade.
Ký 2 ký
1 big spoon per kilo. Pepper.
Tiêu bỏ sau.
Like I said, we add some cold water, it's very important, to the shrimp paste. Mix it with the water. Every other seasoning you can always add during the cooking process if it's not enough. But especially shrimp paste, it's only this step. You cannot add it afterwards. We add the shrimp paste into our marinade. Like I said, only during this step, not later. Again, we need some galangal.
Cái này là bỏ tươi vô trực tiếp luôn nè.
Add it to our marinade. So we had the fried galangal before, and now we add the fresh galangal. Again, we're gonna add some lemongrass. This dish is loaded with galangal and lemongrass. Here come our meat. We are still not done yet. We need to add some toasted peanuts. There. Now we add the meat. we add some rice wine. Also an important step to get rid of the odor and gives flavor. We add our roasted peanuts, and we are still not done. We need some toasted sesame seeds. We add a lot of sesame seeds to this dish. Now it's about time to mix everything. Now it will be sitting here until this evening before we start cooking, but it has to be at least 2 hours before cooking so that the meat can soak up all the flavors from the marinade. I missed the first part, but we just start stir frying the meat. Almost before serving, we add coconut water. In Vietnam, you can just buy coconut water from fresh coconut, and then they just take the juice and put it into this plastic bag. And now it will cook for a while. Nấu cái này bây giờ bao lâu nữa?
Cái này nấu khoảng chừng 20 phút nữa xong.
Okay. Now we will let it cook for another 20 minutes.
Kỹ thì nửa tiếng.
The dish is ready, and I forgot to film the last step, but it's also very important before serving to add some kind of like fermented rice to it. Give this with very unique flavor. So this dish is also called fake dog meat. It's not dog meat, but it's fake. It's all about faking the original dish, and I can't wait to try it. Eat it with some rice noodles, and then you add it on top here. Let me give it a taste test. Mời cả nhà. Peanuts. You have to try it to understand the flavor. It's very unique. The texture is so good. The meat is soft, but still chewy. And there's nice lemongrass and galangal flavor. It's very unique. You have to try it to understand it. So good. All the work, so worth it. Chase it with some beer. Cheers. And we have an additional dish, grilled quails. It's super crunchy. It tastes similar to chicken, but it's better than chicken.